Welcome to this tutorial. Are you looking to change your Facebook page name? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to update your Facebook page name in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Log into your Facebook account and switch profiles to your page. Here, you'll see our Facebook page name is Tech Life. We're going to change it. Next, open Settings from the side menu. Now click on Page Setup. On the Page Setup page, you'll see various options. Click on Name. Now click on the Edit button. Here you can request a name change. Please note that you can only change your page name once in 60 days. If you want to make another change, you'll need to wait 60 days. A few important notes to keep in mind. Facebook has specific naming guidelines, so review those before requesting a name change. Now we're changing our Facebook page name from Tech Life to Tech by Tess. Click Review Change. Next, Facebook will prompt you to enter your profile password. Please note that this is your personal profile password. Double-check that the new name spelling is correct and error-free. Finally, click Request Change to complete the process. Success! We've requested a name change for our Facebook page. Facebook will now review our request and either approve or reject it. This process usually takes just a few minutes. If your page name doesn't change after a few minutes, you can check the status by visiting the support inbox. And that's it. Here, you can see that our page name has been successfully changed. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and smash that like button. Your support is appreciated.